Welcome to Lesson Place, a simple way to learn English virtually.
Hey guys, I want to talk to you guys about articles. Articles are small little words that are used to connect sentences or to connect words. So typically these are used with nouns, person, place, or thing. So common or the main articles are a, an, the, and then just zero articles. So you don't need an article when you're using a certain noun that's in plural form. So for example, there's a lot of students, I have a lot of students who will have a conversation like this. So they'll say, I'm going to supermarket. I'm going to library. I'm going to my friend. I'm going to see. So for example, the way you use a, so or a, is basically a is a vowel. So in the vowel system, a, e, I, o, u. So for example, in other countries outside of the United States, it might be a, e, o, u. So any noun, any person, any place, anything that has a vowel as the beginning letter, you have to use an. So you have to use an, and you can't use a. So you can't use a, you have to use an. So an elephant. I saw an elephant. I'm going to build an igloo. I want to eat an apple. Okay, it's raining outside, so I need an umbrella. Okay, so, and then also, now let's talk about a. So with a, so an is the vowel system, and then a is used for consonants. Think of consonants as the opposite of vowels. You could look up this word consonant, but think of a consonant as the opposite of a vowel. So, for example, I'm going to climb the tree. I'm going to go. And I'm sorry, that's a bad example. So this is a good example. So here, I have a can of soda. I have a can of soda. So S is not a vowel, so that's a consonant. So I have a can of soda. I need to find a store. I need to find a computer. So anything outside of a vowel, you want to use a. And then now, the is used for a specific noun, a specific person, a specific place, or a specific thing. Or if there's only one of these. So for example, when you say the sun, you have to say the sun. You can't say a sun because there's only one sun that the earth has. Same with the moon. Same with, so anytime you mention the sun, the moon, you have to say the sun, you have to say the moon. Another thing is, back in the day, a lot of small towns only had one of everything. So you will say, I'm going to the mall. I'm going to the post office. I'm going to the bank. Obviously, you can use a bank. You can use no article. You can say banks, but that's in a different context. So in the context, say I'm going to the bank. I'm going to the post office. I'm going to the library. I'm going to the gym. So these are common ways that the is used. And if somebody wants to know the specific gym, they can ask you, okay, which gym are you going to? So that's something that they can do. So, and then there's the zero articles. These don't need articles, and those are plural words. So for example, I'm going to buy books. And if there was no S in books, only one book, I'm going to buy a book. Okay? So I want to buy shoes. Okay? I'm going to the mall to buy shoes. I'm going to the, and then that's no article. Let's use A. I'm going to the mall to buy a t-shirt. Okay? And then here, let's use the. I'm going to the mall. And then another way you can use the is when you have explained, when you've used an article, let's say a or an, for the first time. So for example, I bought a can of soda. Now the second reference to the can of soda, I have to say, so if I reference this can of soda again, let's say for example, I bought a can of soda. The can of soda was good. The soda was good. So the second reference I have to use the, because now it's a specific can that I'm talking about. It's the can that I bought. So if you guys want to know more, go to lessonplace.net, www.lessonplace.net, and we can teach you a lot more about all the different grammars and nuances of the English language in America. All right, peace.
Hey guys, remember to subscribe to our channel for weekly content. And also, if you're looking to become a part of the student network or receive private tutoring, go to www.lessonplace.net. Again, go to www.lessonplace.net.